put the toothpaste in Vaseline and you will be surprised to see the result. Hello everyone, this is Kamal Gori and welcome to my YouTube channel Garden and the Life Hacks. In this video, I am going to share 3 amazing life hacks with you. So let's get started. Hack number 1. Start by placing a little amount of Vaseline in a container. Vaseline is well known for its softening and protective properties. It has many benefits. The second ingredient that I am going to use is toothpaste. You can use any brand of toothpaste. We will take in equal quantity the both ingredients, Vaseline and toothpaste. The toothpaste will not only provide a fresh aroma but will also intensify the healing properties of this mixture. And now mix the both ingredients properly. The consistency must be uniform and smooth. And now the magical solution is ready to use. Apply it over the affected areas by mosquito bites. You will feel an instant relief in case of pain and irritation. Let's move to the hack number 2, which is also very interesting and useful. Here I have taken a mobile charger. The mobile charger gets dirty very soon due to frequently use. You can see the condition of this mobile charger. It's very dirty at this time. But we will clean it within just 2 minutes. Here I have taken a toothpaste. Toothpaste is a powerful cleaner. Put a little amount of toothpaste over the dirty charger. And now we will take some water in a container. Here I have taken an old toothbrush. Dip it in the water and then start cleaning the charger. The toothpaste not only used to clean the teeth, but you can also use it to clean your dirty things. You can see all the dirt is removing easily from the mobile charger. The toothpaste has magical cleaning properties. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel, so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. And after cleaning it, wipe it with a cloth. Clean the wire also. And now you can see the charger is very neat and clean and tidy. In this way, you can clean all those things with the toothpaste that we cannot wash by water. For example, you can clean your hand-free, oven wire, juicer machine, etc. that we cannot wash by water. Let's move to the hack number 3, which is also very interesting and useful. Here I have taken a perfume. If you want to get the fragrance of perfume for long lasting, then must apply the Vaseline first on your body before using the perfume. First apply the Vaseline on your body and then apply the perfume. And by doing so, you will notice that the fragrance of perfume will remain for long time on your body. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.